Hello and welcome. My name is Duke Gift, the CEO of Overite.co. I'm excited to welcome you to our SME and MSME AI business training. In this program, I will be guiding you step by step on how to use AI and digital to grow, automate, and scale your business successfully. In this training, our main goal is to help your business grow smarter. Learn how to save time with AI, increase your revenue, automate daily operations, and accelerate your business growth using modern digital tools. On day one, we will introduce you to artificial intelligence. You will understand what AI is and how small businesses can use it, and also how to use tools like ChatGPT for content creation, ideas, and problem solving in your business. On day two, we'll focus on building your online presence. You will learn how to create a professional website, grow your social media, and set up a secured online payment system so customers can easily do business with you online. On day three, we will teach you how to use AI for marketing. You will learn how to engage social media content, writing powerful advertisements, and maintain constant branding using AI tools like to extract and convert more customers. On day four, you will learn how to improve sales and customer support using AI. This includes setting up chatbots, automating emails, and using smart CRM tools to manage leads and customer effectively. On day five, we will explore how AI can support your business, especially human resources. You will learn how to streamline recruitment, automate onboarding, and manage staff better using modern HR platforms like ham.ubura.com. On the 6th, we'll focus on financial management using AI. You will learn how to budget, automate invoicing, track expenses, and generate financial reports to make better business decisions. On day 7, we will show you how to unlock online income opportunities. You will learn about freelancing, content creation, and offering AI related services to create additional streams of income. Our final day will focus on scaling and future proofing your business. You will learn advanced automation, growth strategies, and how to stay ahead with future AI innovations to keep your business competitive. At the end of this course, your score is very important for us to give you your certification after the end of this course. Thank you for joining this training. With the gift and override.co, we are excited to support your journey to smarter, faster, and more profitable business growth using AI digital too.